Alright, so today we are hiking at Grassy Lake. It's about a 2-mile hike. It's out and back, so a mile to the lake and then obviously a mile back. But yeah, it's a super cute little hike. It's kind of snowy, but it is what it is. I feel like every time I vlog I want to talk about very shacks.
You should do it.
We're about halfway in.
Your whole YouTube you want to
We are about halfway to the lakes. A little steep elevation takes it out of you, but we're almost there. Lots of snow. Me and Hazel aren't too happy about it. Hazel fell in about 2 or 3 times. The whole little feces are cold. I don't know why I thought hiking in white shoes was a good idea.
I was wondering why you brought them.
I don't know.
I figured it would be muddy from all the snow though. But it's not as muddy as I thought.
White shoes are now brown. Thank you, Hazel, for putting your paw print on. What you got? You got a stick? You got a stick? Is that how you feel? Go back. We go left or right? Oh, just kidding, we go straight.
Haze.
Grassy Lake. You almost there. Almost there, Papa. We made it to the lake. Super pretty, really frozen, or like half frozen, but super pretty. And eat lunch up here. Hazel makes like a swim. You going, baby? No? Super pretty.
Whoa.
Cold?
No, you stink from the mud. That mud's like a foot deep.
Come on, baby. Whoa, where are you going? No, she's sinking. Get out, get out. Come here. Hazel, come. Come on. Come on. Hazel, come. Whoa. Oh. So we just got done at the lake. We were hanging out there for like an hour, hour and a half, and now we're gonna head to the bottom and go to Sabrina Lake. Bam shadow.
See your ears bouncing next to
So we made it to Lake Sabrina. The water level is really low and it's super windy, so me and Hazel came back to the car because we were cold, but James is still hanging out down there for a little bit. But yeah, I mean, this is the view from the Jeep. Super pretty lake to check out. We wish it was a little bit nicer, but it is what it is.